In today's video, I will share 9 effective home remedies to get rid of smile lines. 1. Have some green tea. Green tea is more than just a healthier alternative to coffee and other caffeinated beverages. Because it's rich in antioxidants, consuming it on a regular basis can be very good for your overall wellness. It can also protect your skin from the kinds of free radicals that make you more likely to develop noticeable smile lines. Thus, it's a good idea to consume green tea regularly each day. As you may have guessed by this point, however, you can further reap the benefits of green tea by applying it directly to your face. 2. Apply olive oil. Olive oil helps lock moisture in your skin, and studies indicate that the kinds of monounsaturated fats naturally found in olive oil have a beneficial impact on your skin's health. That's why it's a smart idea to incorporate olive oil into your diet more often or by applying it directly to your face. 3. Apply lemon juice. You don't need to pour an entire cup of juice over your face to get the effects. Simply dabbing a few drops of lemon juice on your lines and wrinkles can help. The antioxidants will guard against free radicals by seeping into your skin. Additionally, the acidic quality of lemon juice can tighten up the skin on your face. 4. Try egg whites. For this remedy, simply apply some egg whites to the areas of your face where you want to reduce the appearance of lines and wrinkles. Do this when you know you'll have time to stay still and rest for at least 30 minutes. You want to give the egg whites enough time to dry. Once they have, just rinse them off with warm water. Ouch! 5. Apply aloe vera. Simply get some natural aloe vera gel and apply it throughout your face. Wait at least 5 minutes, preferably longer, so you can be sure the nutrients have worked their way to the skin layers that need them the most. When you're ready again, all you have to do is rinse it off with warm water. This is yet another amazingly simple, easy way to guard against lines and wrinkles. 6. Apply makeup conservatively. Too many people make the mistake of assuming they can conceal their lines and wrinkles beneath several layers of makeup. Not only will this strategy not help, it will also have the opposite effect. Quite simply, when you apply liberal amounts of makeup to your face, the makeup actually tends to highlight and exaggerate your smile and frown lines. Instead of hiding them, makeup puts them front and center. Therefore, try not to apply too much makeup on your face. Ouch! 7. Apply some papaya. Papaya is rich in key nutrients that can support your skin's health and make lines and wrinkles on your face much less noticeable. The fact that it's delicious is practically an added bonus. For this remedy, all you have to do is cut up a papaya into several pieces, then mash them to make a pulp. Apply to your wrinkles, wait about 15 minutes, then rinse it off with warm water. Simple as that. 8. Get some exercise. Exercise helps because it stimulates blood flow throughout the body. That includes stimulating blood flow to the facial skin. As a result, your skin will receive more of the nutrients it needs to remain healthy. This simple step can result in the growth of new healthy skin cells to restore your youthful appearance. Increased blood flow can also lead to an increase in the production of natural oils that keep your skin moist and healthy. Ouch! 9. Try bananas. It can sometimes be difficult to find ripe papaya for a face mask. That's why it helps to know of other types of fruit you can use to combat unwanted lines and wrinkles. Banana is one of them. It also contains plenty of nutrients that can support your skin health and improve your appearance. Best of all, you don't need to do much work to take advantage of its healing properties. All you have to do is mash up a ripe banana until you form a paste that you can easily apply to your face. Apply it to the areas most affected by lines and wrinkles. Then leave the paste there for 15 minutes or longer. If you know any other tip to get rid of smile lines, please share in the comments below. Ouch!